I think you need to pump it up.
Okay, we're not going to have any bloopers.
Seamless.
Smoothless. I had to think about that for a second. Like, why can't I say decide?
It's okay. You got it.
Decide.
You said we're going to do this without any bloopers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There goes that.
Putting and selling your home at the same time. Fly. There's a fly. Longest video ever.
Do you currently own a home but would like to purchase a new home that's more fitting to your current situation? Thinking about selling and buying a home at the same time can be very stressful to think about, but we have some tips to share with you today.
Selling your current home, finding a home that you love, and packing all at the same time can seem like a really big juggling act. It's important to have the right real estate professionals on your side in order to have a seamless transaction.
So first, we're going to help you decide whether you should search for a new home first or list your home first. This is going to depend on your situation and your current motives.
Second, if you've committed to the process of buying and selling a home at the same time, go ahead and get a jump start on the moving process by putting away and packing up things that you're not going to use in the meantime.
Third, you might be wondering, what happens if I found a home I want, but mine has not sold yet? Or you might be wondering, what happens if I got an offer on my home, but I haven't found a home I like yet? And this is where you need a real estate agent that knows how to properly navigate negotiations. On both sides of a transaction, a purchase agreement can be written in a way to provide you protection. When selling your home, a purchase agreement can be written with a contingency that states you must be given time to find a new home before completing the sale of your current home. On the other side of that, when you're buying a home, a purchase agreement can be written stating that you must have time to sell your current home before finalizing the sale of the new home.
As always, it's very important to make sure that you do your research and find the right professional for the job. Reach out to us at any time. We are more than happy to help you answer any questions that you might have with the home buying or selling process.
Peace and blessings to you all.
Peace and blessings.